We at Empire have struggled with this episode and disagreed on the nature of U.S. power that dictates the use of force and about the political brain that produces the thinking behind the use of violence. I can't say after weeks of discussions we've arrived at the same answers, but we've certainly agreed about the relevant questions that beg for answers. Then came Mr. Obama's UN speech that was pretty big on answers that invoke at least three more questions. One, why is the American president the only world leader to speak from the UN podium of the use of military power that's not in self-defense and not mandated by the UN Security Council? Two, what does it say about U.S. power that even the most liberal president, a constitutional lawyer, would use American force to reinforce international norms, guarantee the free flow of oil, respond to international terrorism, and hit those who attack Washington's friends anywhere? And three, if that's not a self-designated world policeman, then what is it? Well, to answer these questions and much more, go to our new magnificent website, and don't forget to follow us or write to us on Facebook and Twitter. Until next time.